So we're just starting our walk. It's just on 9 o'clock on Thursday, the 21st of August. It's a bit of a overcast, spitty day, so we're doing a bit of a bush walk today just because it's more covered, so we're not going to get too wet. So yeah, we're going to do this walk, then I'm popping into town to do a couple of things, and then I'll head home to do a few things while the kids are at school. Well, little A is actually still home. He'll be back at school on Monday. He's slowly getting his energy back. This virus that he had completely wiped him out, so I thought start next week fresh. But we're at the Millennium Reserve, so we're actually going a different way today, so we'll see if we get lost.